In the previous video, you created a duplicate copy of a sheet with data from a completed survey. The data is organized with default headers and formatting. It's not necessarily easy to read, analyze, or see patterns in data that's organized this way. To make a spreadsheet easier to read, sort, and understand, you might need to change its headers and its format. To improve your spreadsheet, change the column headers so they're easier for you to understand. Rename the columns. Then insert 2 rows above the header row to create categories for your headings. Categories help simplify your sheet headers and make the t-shirt orders easier to read and understand quickly. Label each category. These labels will be used to help you clearly see which types, sizes, and designs correspond to which t-shirt. Update the rest of the headers for the first product. Then copy the new headers and paste them in the rest of the cells. Next, make your headers bold so they stand out. Then, merge the cells in the row with your categories. When you merge, you remove the dividing lines between cells. Center align the text. and adjust the number formatting in the date column to simplify your spreadsheet. Now it's your turn. Insert new rows for category headers, update the headers and make them bold, merge cells, and adjust the date format.